So here we are trying to solve a problem. And our problem says we need to find the area of a circle with a 9 centimeters radius. So first we have to identify the formula for area. Formula for area of a circle is pi times pi times r to the second power, or r squared. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to plug in the numbers into the formula, but I have to identify the value of pi and the value of r. In other words, I have to see which numbers am I going to use instead of these little symbols. So for this symbol, which is pi, I'm going to use 3.14. And for the r, I'm going to replace it with the 9 because that is my radius. Remember, radius is only half. If it was a diameter, it would be the whole line. So radius is only half. So I'm going to plug it in, my formula, and I'm going to substitute, like I mentioned, 3.14 times this circle right here. We got to remember now, that's multiplication sign, okay? Times 9 squared. So I'm going to use my order of operations, 3.14 times 9 times 9. And I'm going to do, because of order of operations, I'm going to use PEMDAS. And I know that I always do my exponents. And my exponents were 9 times 9. It's not 9 times 2. It's 9 to the second power, which is 9 times 9, which I get 81. I have to then multiply 3.14 times 81. And I get my area of 254.47 centimeters squared. Because we're working with area, we are always going to put that square after our measurement. This is part of your answer. Don't leave it out. 254.47 centimeters squared. Now it is your turn to solve for the area of a circle with a radius of 7 centimeters. Remember, the area formula of a circle is pi times radius squared. All you got to do, remember these steps, is substitute. The first step is to substitute each symbol for a number. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and do the multiplication and solve your problem. Okay, let me know how you do and show me your answer once you're done. See you soon.